Fascia is a stringy substance mainly composed of collagen. It's soft and flexible. Its 4 layers that we'll cover in just a bit are separated by the liquid hyaluronan, which allows the fascia to stretch as we move. Inflammation and trauma can deplete hyaluronan, which damages fascia, resulting in a variety of pain concerns. Initially, we believed fascia simply surrounded the organs like a mesh. Now we have learned that it actually surrounds every cell, nerve, joint, tissue, tendon, and ligament as a comprehensive network that gives form and function to every part of the body. The first layer of fascia is the superficial fascia right under the skin, which is mostly collagen, giving shape and form to our structure. The second layer is deep fascia that is denser than the first layer and has 2 subcategories of epineurotic and epimysial fascia. The third layer is the visceral fascia that surrounds the organs in the abdomen as well as the lungs and heart. The fourth layer is the parietal fascia that lines the walls of specific body cavities such as the pelvic region. Healthy fascia is smooth and flexible, while adhesions in it can cause painful knots known as trigger points. They can result in myofascial pain syndrome. A technique called myofascial release focuses on reducing pain by easing the tension and tightness in the trigger points. There are many careers where people do repetitive movements, stand or sit a lot, that contribute to myofascial pain syndrome. So, is it fascia pain? To determine if pain is fascia-related, observe if the discomfort improves with movement and responds well to myofascial release therapy. Muscle or joint pain often worsens with activity, but fascia pain reduces with proper myofascial release therapy. Clinical treatment options include advanced frequency and polarity-specific microcurrent cellular therapy to address myofascial release. This advanced treatment improves blood circulation and cellular oxygenation while reducing inflammation and signaling the body to self-repair up to 68% faster than without microcurrent therapy. In-home fascia care with the right tool makes it easier for individuals to improve their blood circulation in areas of the body that perform repetitive tasks or lack mobility.